It hadn't been updated in, I don't know, maybe 30 years.
So we really realized we were kind of in over our head with this.
Mechanical, electrical, plumbing, roofing, window systems.
The purchase price was $1.1 million. After 6 months, the unit appraised for $1.9 million.
It was started out of necessity. RW Services Commercial is a licensed general contractor in the state of Pennsylvania with years of experience, a full staff, both laborers, carpenters, electricians, project managers, and working foremen that lend their experience to commercial type projects. We are doing millions of dollars worth of not only daily maintenance, seasonal maintenance, and also remodeling.
That we started Delphi Wealth Management about 8 years ago, and we had some extra cash flow, and one of the employees who worked with us, he presented us with this opportunity to buy this apartment multifamily building, and we thought, oh, this is a good way to diversify our investments.
We realized what we didn't know, quite frankly. So yeah, we got ourselves into something that week by week, it was headache after headache. The property was really run down and rents hadn't changed in years.
Having the partnership with RW Services allows me to invest in real estate. They handle all the construction, property management. When you're communicating with RW Services, it's really a seamless process. Quick communication, updates come to you as the investor before you even ask for them.
What we do is we take a holistic approach to the project because commercial properties are just different than somebody's home. We can do all of the construction management, and we have the full gamut of subcontractors to make a project be successful.
We knew from day one, we found the partner that we wanted to, how organized they were, how technology forward the company is, everything from the rent collection to the, keeping us abreast of what's going on, through technology. It was just a complete turnaround as far as what we had prior, so.
RW Services provides a one-stop shop. They have project management, construction, they have a great foreman, they have a great team behind the scenes, and then after renovations are complete, they can fill all the units, get them rented, and then take it to completion with project management, so everything's done in-house.
What Rentwell RW Services is able to do is between management and renovations and all of our experience, we're able to bridge that gap very accurately. We know how to make the right investments up front to then reduce those operating costs while adding the modern safety, mechanicals, and amenities that the tenants are looking for in today's day and age.